Alright, so when you walk in through the door, we have the bathroom here. Hi. Alright, so then turning right, we have partitioned off from the rest of the bathroom is the toilet. So we have some artwork up there. And the toilet. Big double sink with the big mirror. On the other side here, we do have a walk-in shower. No bathtub in this place, but we do have 2 shower heads, which is pretty cool. And then we have drain is kind of there, which we've never had a bathroom like that where the water just runs into the drain like that. Little shelf to put things in. We had a crib, so there is that. Next to the crib is this giant, I guess, armoire. And we have our extra pillow and blanket up there. We have blow dryer. We have a safe. I think that's a blow dryer at least. It says Conair, I believe it is. We have a giant mirror. Place to hang your clothes, which lights turn on automatically in there, which was really cool. Just kind of open them up and they turn off when you close. Spot to put your coat or luggage. Inside this little shelf, we have our fridge with a glass front door. Coffee maker. Then we love this, how it has the shelves up on top for ice and then any other things you want to put up there. We have a big old spot to put our other stuff. Can never have enough counter space. Then 3 big drawers, which we had all of our clothes in. And then between the 2 beds, we have some more bigger drawers for the side table. Then we even got ourselves a little chair with a light there. You have to excuse our mess. But hey, we lived in the hotel room for a week. But we love this view. We have Animal Kingdom out there to the left. I know it's not the easiest to see. And then if you look to the right, we do have Magic Kingdom. But we just can't get enough of that view. Alright, heading over to 3 Bridges by Villa del Lago. Here is the menu we had. I think I'm going to go with the pork tacos. Just look at the beautiful view we had sitting here. And wouldn't be the same without getting a flight of sangrias here. And I did end up getting the tacos. So I know that was a brief overview of the restaurant, but it was very good food. Hey everybody, I know that last video was pretty short. It was just an overview of the room. I have 2 more videos coming up. We're actually heading up north next week, so I'll have these videos edited, uploaded, so I can still try and get one out a week. They'll be just lightsaber reviews, so again, they might be on the short side, but then we should have some stuff from the up north trip, and then I have a lot more footage still from our last Disney trip, where we can go over the Cinderella's Royal Table, as well as a few other things. A lot more footage, so it won't be a quick 2-minute video for Cinderella's Royal Table. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys again. Thank you so much.